Welcome to a video walk around from Kelowna Toyota. We are located at 1200 Leithhead Road in beautiful Kelowna, British Columbia, Canada, right here on the heart of the Okanagan. Today we're going to be taking a look at this very cool 2019 Nissan Pro-4X. This does have the double cab with 4 doors, making your passenger access super easy. If we start off in the front here, we've got fog lights. It's riding on 16-inch alloy wheels. Up top we have a full roof rack, allowing you to expand your cargo space, and we do have the deep tinted rear privacy glass, black door handles and mirrors that match your roof rails. This truck comes with a lot of great options such as a navigation system, heated leather seats, dual zone climate control, and it is 4-wheel drive. So let's hop in and take a look at what it's got to offer. Coming up and just taking a look inside through the windows, we can see we have this beautiful black leather interior, which is in top condition. Looking up, there's our power sunroof. Moving around to the back, we do have quite a bit of room back here for a smaller truck. There is also seating for 3, making this a 5-passenger truck with a pull-down center console that will provide your passengers with some cup holders and a little bit extra storage. Opening up the door, we have our power locks and our power windows. Right here we can see our power mirrors, our extra off-road crawl control, and our cargo lamp. Hopping in and taking a look at the steering wheel, on this side we have our audio controls and our hands-free Bluetooth calling. Over here you'll find your cruise control. So let's just start it up and take a look at the dash. Up here is all the normal bits and pieces you'd expect to find. Your locking differential, off or on, viewer, and there is some different options you can scroll through, and your trip meter. Right here we got our wipers, lights. Coming on over to the central dash, you can see our navigation system. This is satellite radio ready too, and if you have that, you can sign up for the XM traffic. Over here, we've got all of our audio options. It is an AM/FM radio plus a CD player. Coming down here is our dual zone climate control. And even further down, we have our 4-wheel drive options, our heated seats, traction control, and our rear parking aids sensors, as well as our locking differential. We've got 2 cup holders and a bunch of extra storage in there. In our glove box, it does come with the original owner's manual. And taking a look at the back from the front, you can see it is pretty roomy, and we do have that sliding rear window as well. So let's hop out and take a look at the bed of this truck. Around back, we can see our Pro-4X badging on the side and also on the back, plus our Frontier and Nissan badging as well. We've got the nice color matched bumper. And coming on up, this is a lockable tailgate, by the way. We can open it up and check out this really nice composite bed in the truck with your tie-down cargo secure bits and pieces. And the rear window here does slide open. There is controls for that in the cab of the truck. So, it is also a locking tailgate. And we'll just take another walk around so you can see all of it. Thank you very much for taking time to view this video of this 2019 Nissan Frontier Pro-4X with me. If you have any comments, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to take this for a spin, come on down to 1200 Leithhead Road in Kelowna, British Columbia, Canada, and one of our amazing product advisors would be more than happy to take you out. If you just want some more information, give us a call or check out our website at kelownatoyota.com. And you can also access all of our new and used inventory on there as well, and send us a message 24/7. Somebody will get back to you ASAP. You can also check out our Facebook and our Instagram page, both at Kelowna Toyota, to find out what events we have going on. We are community driven and enjoy supporting our community all year long, so check that out. And we hope everybody's having a great winter season. Drive safe. We look forward to seeing you soon.